Amazon Flex sub same day, $126 for 3.5 hours. 126 for 3.5 hours. Let's get it, fam. So it's been a while since I've done sub same day, which is delivering package, you know. But like I said, man, with Flex is the luck of the draw. I don't know where I'm going until I see my route. So I could be going as far as Fort Collins or as close as 5 miles away. It's the luck of the draw. Still another 6 minutes until I can check in. And I already showed you guys the load up process. You know, basically it's the first third front seat, second third back seat, and the last third trunk. That's how it is. Yeah. All right, 6 more minutes and we'll get our route, and we're gonna load up and just gonna do another ride along, day in the life. I try to record footage today. We're gonna stay away from going live for today, that's for sure. Let's get it, fam. Next up, scan your driver license, get your route, load up, and go deliver it. It's not rocket science, is it? Let's get it, fam. Bam, last third in the trunk, second third back seat, and the first third front seat. Let's go. Smooth sailing so far. It's all about organizing your route. That is key. Yeah. Don't be lazy. Organize your route, or else you're gonna be fumbling through all the packages and lose a lot of time. And as you guys know, time is money when you're working gig, right? Time is money. Haha. All right, just 3 more stops and we'll be done, fam. Then a live Amazon delivery driver. Let's get it. All right, fam, current time is 8 a.m. so this route takes me exactly 3.5 hours, and I spent like 20 minutes making Facebook reels, YouTube shorts, and TikTok and all that. So if I really hustle, this route would have been like 3 hours. Yeah, man, 3 hours for 126. That would have been really awesome. But I took some time to shoot the video, make some TikTok during the route. I even got on my phone, on the phone with my old friend. She wanna get into the YouTube, you know, side hustle and all that. She doesn't do gig work. She wanna do like making money online and other types of side hustle. So yeah, gave her a few tips and tricks on how to make YouTube videos, how to go viral on TikTok, and so on. So today's route was a winning route, fam. Good route today. 3.5 hours for 126, so that's 36 per hour, something like that. 126 divided by 3.5, so I think it's 36. It's been a long day. Only slept like 30 minutes last night, and then I'm gonna take another nap, and I go to work at the pizza place, and then I'm off. I could have dropped this route if I wanted to, but I need a YouTube video. I need a 10-minute YouTube video. So with like I said, man, with Amazon Flex, sometimes you win and sometimes you lose. Today we're winning, and the next time we'll see. And to all my new drivers, if you're doing package, make sure it's at least $29 per hour. I would say 29. If it's Whole Foods, it's usually very good. If it's fresh online, it's hit or miss. And that's all there is to Amazon Flex sub same day, or Amazon Flex in general, fam. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to smash the like, subscribe, ring the bell, and then YouTube's gonna recommend you guys 2 videos, one to my left, one to my right. Click on that if you guys want to watch some more videos. Thank you, everybody. I'm gonna get some breakfast, take a little nap, go deliver some pies. Let's get it. Thank you for watching, fam. All right, we're just gonna get some breakfast at McDonald's. Eat a little bit, take a nap, go deliver some pizza. And since this video is only 5 minutes, I'm gonna have to stretch it out to 8 minutes, fam. So as you guys have known, well, most of you guys seen it already, that YouTube shorts, DoorDash on Easter, bacon, egg, and cheese biscuit, and a Coke. So thanks for all the love and support on that video, fam. And yesterday we shot some Uber Eats DoorDash video. Yesterday, Monday night, was slow. Dashing on Saturday night and Sunday Easter was pretty slow as well, that dashing across America. But I think today is Tuesday, and Tuesday might be the most money I ever made in one day this week. Yeah, on a Tuesday. Granted, I work a lot of hours. I'm gonna work a lot of hours today. So we did like 3.5 with Amazon Flex, and another 7 at the pizza place. So that's 10.5 hours, and we don't know how much we're gonna make at the pizza place yet. Thank you very much. Say what? It's a slow ass Tuesday morning, and this motherfucker don't want a tip. See what we got in the bag, huh? Got the bacon, egg, and cheese biscuit. That's my favorite, yo. So that video went viral on TikTok. That's the only place it went viral. So thanks for all love and support on TikTok, fam. And we finally got a affiliate link for the extra slim wallet. Let's check it out, fam. You see how big this wallet is? And you see how slim this is? Look at how slim it is, fam. This is an extra slim wallet. I've been telling you guys about this, and finally we got the affiliate link. Look how thick this is. You want to go slim? Extra is the way to go, fam. I will drop the link in the video description in the comments, and I will try to update it in my channel description as well. Extra is my new sponsor. If you want to support the channel, if you like the wallet, then if you want to support the channel, please use my link below to buy this extra slim wallet. It comes in a few different colors, and there's different styles and all that. So you can put your cash here, put your cash here, or the extra credit cards, and then the slim wallet. Got my Grubhub, Uber, and DoorDash. So it can fit like up to like 12 credit cards and some cash and your ID and all that. It's got the whatever magnet safe or something, so it doesn't it guard your wallet against those touchless pay. Just press it. There you go, fam. Thank you Extra for sponsoring this channel. Once again, if you guys want to like the wallet and want to support the channel, please use my link below in the video description or in the comments. Thank you, fam. Thank you everybody for watching this day in the life of Amazon Flex delivery driver. Amazon Flex ride along. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you, everybody. Have a nice day. Peace. I'm gonna eat some DoorDash non-tipper, drink his Coke, and go deliver some pie. Thank you, everybody. Have a nice day.